Then out here we have the pool, and the pool has a deck and a back patio or side patio on the far right, and then a smaller patio right in front here. There is a number of cracks that are on here. A great Graniflex project. Here's the cracks at this time. Not huge, but we can get them sealed up with Graniflex material. A couple areas where it's really cracked in different directions. Over here, number of cracks. Also, this was reported about 3 to 4 years ago. Again, we have a basic 4-foot deck all the way around the pool, and we have the smaller patio over here, which has no cracks, only control joints on it, and this will be a Tuscan slate system as well.